Okay, some guys have been talking about the same frustration that I have. A lot of the mirrors are 2020 and back, so you've got a round clamp that will not go around this new style roll bar that Can-Am has come up with. So this is the this is the mirror style. I don't think it matters a whole lot what mirror style, but it's got the green lamp and clear lamp for night driving, if you want the green lights on so you're not disturbing wildlife or anything. This comes in here like this, and this comes into the standoff, and it has the click gear so you can adjust it incrementally when it's fixed location up or down. So what we're going to do is very simply, we're going to remove this piece right here. All right, so as you can see, this is the washer with the incremental adjustment in it. On the back side of it, you can see that it's just pressed in there. So we're just going to give this a little tap and just lip this thing out here. And this is pretty much trash can. So now what we have is, one of the things we edited out for speed was this was also secured with a through bolt in that original bracket. So we're just going to reinstall this. If you'll see in here, you've got a hex head. Just lock it down with an Allen or something, and it'll tighten up for you, like so. Right here, these two hex bolts right here seem to be the best place to make a bracket. A lot of, I think, Can-Am patterns this right here. So we're going to come in here and we're going to kind of make a golf club. This is going to be our club head here, and then we're going to turn up and follow this. And right around here, with one of our guys working here, determined that this was the correct height. So what you got is, when this thing is all put together, that bracket will be here. We'll have that through bolt coming through here, and then you'll just sit right there. So we'll go to AutoCAD and we'll make this bracket. We'll get it refined, and we'll see you at the computer. Okay, so this is the lights that I purchased here. Universal side view mirror fit for vehicles with 1.75 to 2-inch round roll bar cage. Polaris round tube Ranger, Polaris Turbo, Polaris, Honda Pioneer, John Deere full-size Gator, Kawasaki Mule, Kawasaki T-Rex, Rhino, Viking, Yamaha, Arctic Cat, Textron, Wildcat, etc. Okay, so the whole point of this is to make it to where you can make more mirrors work. And like I said before, if you want to send me measurements, whatever, I mean, it's not that tough to do this. I mean, we've been messing around probably, what, 30 minutes? Yeah, between taking lunch and playing around on other stuff. So anyway, not a big deal to make the brackets for you. We're a racing shop. 2018 Mustang, 18 Mustang, Fox body, putting exhaust on for a friend of ours. We do friend jobs. Commander is just a toy there. Another 17 Mustang, 2014 Mustang, G-body, Regal, and we have a dyno room. If you'd like to dyno your Can-Am or Honda, you can walk in there real quick, show them the dyno room. There's a Mustang in there. okay, so this is the mirrors off of Amazon. 2 bolts here. This the hood will have to come off to access you to where you can get these out. Reline this bracket up. This particular set of mirrors had a, I think this is called a Norse washer, as I said before, and you can clock it. I don't have the hardware in the thing, so I'm trying to handle it tenderly. This 1/8" aluminum is a little too flimsy. There is a little bit of flex in it. You can see that flexing. So rather than have aluminum, we're going to go to an additional thickness of 3/16, and we're going to go to mild steel, and that will not flex. And I just think this is too much flex, and it would cause vibration just going down the road, and I don't see any benefit of having it being able to flex if you hit a limb or something, quite honestly. That's what these cogs are for. But as you can see, even as you're adjusting the mirror, you've got flex there, and I'm not tight there because this bolt's not tightened up on it. But just all around, I think the ergonomics is good. I think everything lines up properly. I just think we need thicker steel. So that's our bracket. This is it off front side, where again your boss bracket assembly mounts to here, and you can see how it adjusts this way, and then the mirror flank this way. And if you've got a different style mirror that doesn't take this washer with the cogs in it, if you can send me a photo of what you have. To me, the most important part is this right here, this mount assembly. So if you have a different attachment point, just send that to me, and we can make some modifications. Now that we've got the bracket built, I don't see any reason why we can't modify it. If it's your issue, it'll be other people's issue as well. So no reason not to provide a solution for other mirrors on the 2021 Can-Am. For those that are waiting on the roof, I did get lucky and my roof came in. You know, we're still not quite sure what this is for, other than some type of rain gutter. I think we're probably going to cut this off and use some edge trim to possibly come around this area and then edge trim the roof. I don't like that, and when the windshield is on the vehicle, it doesn't provide to me anything other than having a perfect grip come in right here on your knee. So if anybody has a good reason that this is here, by all means comment and educate me. But I'm not a fan so far of that little lip there. This steel reinforcement on the inside here, this plate, it's an attachment point for the front cross member. But other than a sound bar, or, you know, I don't know. I mean, we really, CB possibly, really don't know why that's there, but it is there, and we'll find some way to take advantage of it.